Let's begin with the story behind Ang Tibay v. CIR, a landmark case in Philippine administrative law. Ang Tibay operated a shoe factory and a conflict erupted between the management and its workers. The dispute was brought before the Court of Industrial Relations, which was tasked with resolving labor issues. However, the court made its decision without thoroughly examining the evidence presented by both sides. This lack of careful consideration led to questions about whether the parties were given a fair chance to be heard. The case quickly became more than just a labor dispute. It highlighted the importance of fairness and due process in administrative proceedings, setting the stage for a significant legal doctrine. At the heart of the Ang Tibay case was a crucial question: what are the minimum requirements of due process in administrative proceedings? The Supreme Court recognized that, even though administrative bodies like the Court of Industrial Relations are not traditional courts, they must still observe fundamental fairness. The court emphasized that decisions should not be made arbitrarily or without substantial evidence. This means that every party involved must be given the opportunity to present their side, and all evidence must be carefully considered before a ruling is made. The Ang Tibay case thus underscored the necessity of due process regardless of the forum. Supreme Court's ruling in Ang Tibay v. CIR established what are now known as the cardinal primary rights in administrative due process. These rights include the right to a hearing, the right for evidence to be considered, and the requirement that decisions be based on substantial evidence. The court annulled the CIR's decision because it failed to meet these standards. This doctrine ensures that administrative bodies act with fairness and integrity, protecting individuals from arbitrary decision. In summary, Ang Tibay reminds us that due process is a fundamental safeguard, not just in courts but in all administrative proceedings.